Are you aware that you can make your house look like a winter wonderland without spending much money? You can make a beautiful holiday atmosphere on a budget by doing things like making your own decorations, using natural elements like pine cones and greenery, reusing things you already own, and shopping smartly at thrift stores or dollar stores. To make the season even more special, add warm lighting, set the table with style, and have fun decorating with your family. We will look at clever and cheap ways to spread holiday cheer without spending a lot of money in this video. DIY decorations for a personal touch. Making your own decorations is a cheap and fun way to make your holiday displays stand out. To create a magical winter atmosphere, cut out intricate patterns on white paper to make paper snowflakes. You can make your own unique Christmas decorations by shaping, baking, and painting salt dough ornaments. Fill mason jar displays with fairy lights, pine cones, or small ornaments for an easy but beautiful centerpiece. These do-it-yourself ideas will make your holiday room feel cozy and creative. Use nature's bounty. Take advantage of nature's beauty to make cute, low-cost decorations. You can gather pine cones, spray paint them in holiday colors, and put them in a bowl to make a unique decoration. You can add a lush, natural touch to your home with fresh evergreen twigs used to make garlands or wreaths. A citrus garland is a rustic and fragrant addition. To make one, just slice and dry oranges and string them together for a lovely show. These easy and inexpensive ideas will not only make your space feel warmer during the holiday season, but they will also show off the beauty of natural materials while turning your home into a cozy holiday getaway. Repurpose what you have. Use things you already have in new ways to decorate for the holidays. Put extra ornaments in bowls or vases to make displays that are easy but beautiful. Extra ribbons can be used to decorate chairs, stair railings, or gift boxes, making them look more festive with little work. Frame your mirrors with wreaths or twinkle lights to make the room look better. The lights will reflect warmth and make the holiday glow stronger. By rethinking the decorations you already have, you can make the atmosphere more festive without having to buy anything new. This will make your parties look great and not break the bank. Shop smart and early to save on holiday decor by planning and being resourceful. Visit dollar stores for budget-friendly ornaments, candles, and lights that add charm without overspending. Explore thrift shops to find unique vintage treasures that bring character to your decorations. Take advantage of post-holiday sales to stock up on deeply discounted items for the following year, ensuring you're prepared and saving money. Focus on lighting. Lighting is a big part of making your room feel like a cozy winter wonderland. Start by putting fairy lights over shelves, mantels, or windows to make a warm, welcoming glow. Set up cheap candles at different heights to create a warm mood. The flickering light will make the room feel even cozier. Use a cheap projector to put holiday designs on your walls or ceilings for a more festive touch. This will fill the room with holiday spirit. With the right lighting, it's easy to make your house feel magical, festive, and warm during the winter. Create a festive table setting. You can make a lively table setting for holiday meals without spending a lot of money by doing some simple things yourself. Arrange natural things like pine cones, greenery, or ornaments in a pretty tray to make a cute centerpiece. Put your table over the top with creatively folded napkins and a sprig of flowers on top for a touch of class. Finish off the look with candles, which will add warmth and a classic look to the room. This beautiful and inexpensive setup will make any holiday meeting feel warm and inviting. With elements that are inspired by nature and soft lighting, involve the family. Make decorating a family activity by giving everyone fun things to do that won't break the bank. You can use craft items you already have at home to help the kids make their ornaments, or you can make a nostalgic popcorn garland with them. Plan a night for holiday projects so that the whole family can get to know each other while making art. You will save money and make memories that you will treasure for years to come. This will make the Christmas season even more special. Conclusion: it doesn't have to cost a lot to decorate for Christmas. With a little imagination and effort, you can make your house a holiday haven that makes everyone feel good. These ideas will help you enjoy the season in style without breaking the bank. Whether you make your ornaments or look for treasures at a thrift store, what are your favorite cheap ways to decorate? Leave your ideas and tips in the box below.